Adding on-screen text and visual elements to your project is a great way to improve production quality and provide some more context for your audience. In the previous lessons, we've started by uploading videos and making some edits within the VEED video timeline. We've also added some effects and transitions. To add some text to your project, click on the text icon in the toolbar over on the left-hand side, and you'll now see lots of different styles of text that you can add on top of your video. Simply click on a style that you like, and it will be instantly added on top of your footage where your playhead is sitting. And now, you can start to customize. Using the edit window, you can type in what you want your text to say, and you can choose from a selection of fonts, sizes, and colors. You also have the option to add some animation to your text, which can make it look a lot more dynamic and professional. And you can add animation to your text just by clicking on your preferred look. To position your text where you want it within your frame, you can click and drag the text box in the playback window like so. You can also choose when the text appears and disappears by clicking and dragging the text box down in the timeline, in exactly the same way as we trimmed clips in lesson 4. You can also move your text box around the timeline to put it in the exact place that you want. But text is not the only element that you can add on screen. In the Elements tab over on the left-hand side, you can open up a selection of shapes, emojis, images, animated progress bars, and sound waves. To add any of these to your project, all you need to do is click on one and you'll see it appear down in your timeline. You can then click and drag it around the playback window, and you can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners like so, or put it on an angle by using the circle above it. And you can change when they appear and disappear by clicking and dragging the element in the timeline. We can also take a look at another element in the Draw tab. The pen tool can allow you to draw or highlight elements of your footage. Select a style of brush and then use your mouse to draw whatever you like on top of your video. Afterwards, you can also very easily change the brush stroke style, the color, and the opacity. And you'll see that VEED has automatically added your drawing element into the timeline as well, so you can then adjust exactly when you want it to appear or disappear by clicking and dragging the ends or moving it around the timeline. One last on-screen element that you can add is a custom image. Simply go to Media, upload a file, and open up an image from your computer. And you can then customize it in all of the same ways as we've done with the previous elements. And I actually don't want to see all of these effects on top of my footage because it's starting to look a little bit cluttered, so I'll simply select and delete the things that I don't want. So now, let's take a look at our video with all of these elements added. Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you some footage from my trip to the beach, which was a really great day out with some really amazing views, so I hope you enjoy it. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to add fully automatic subtitles to your projects, which is one of VEED's most powerful time-saving tools.